Hey guys, Travis Lane here with LATICRETE International. We're back to our project where we're applying a SPARTACOTE Resinous system over existing tile. We've already prepared the tile and applied our 254 thinset over the top. We've done this to be able to fill in the grout lines and to give us a smooth coat. We're going to be using our VaporBand ER pigment base as our primer to go over the top of the 254. Now after the 254 is dry, we want to use a sanding screen. I used an 80 grit to sand and just kind of knock the tops off and to smooth it out a little bit. After that, before applying the VaporBand ER, we want to be able to mist the slab just a little bit. This is also true on concrete. We're going to go ahead and show it here as well. We just want to mist the substrate just a little bit, just to create a little bit of, to break that surface tension. We don't want to create puddles, but we do want to just break that surface tension. We're going to pour out the VaporBand. We've mixed it for 2 minutes. We can apply it with our broom, this is the resin broom, just a little version of it. We're going to put it down about 16 mils. This is also going to mitigate any moisture that's left in the 254. This is going to be a good base for our chips that we're going to throw in. Now when you're mixing the VaporBand ER, you want to be able to follow the data sheet. You want to be able to consult your LATICRETE SPARTACOTE rep. You want to be able to put this out at 16 mils and then backroll. You can use our broom to do this. I'm on a slant here so you can kind of see it running. It's about 80 degrees out today, so we have some warm material here. You do want to be able to pour out your entire mix once you've mixed your kit. Comes in a 2.2 gallon kit. Once you add your 1 quart of epoxy pigment, it comes up to 2.4 gallons. Go ahead and set this over here. All right, guys, so now we're going to back roll. A little bit more here. Just want to get a good 16 mils on there. When you do that, you're able to get a good single broadcast. Typically, make sure that you're back rolling after your broom or your squeegee. You can also use a notch squeegee, and that way you get good adhesion there. Went over that line a little bit. It's all right. And guys, once you get that back roll like that, you can go 90 degrees as well. Back roll. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and start the process of throwing your chips or your quartz into this system. You can also use this system for a basis for metallics. We're going to use our 1/4 inch salt and pepper flake on a light gray epoxy pigment base. There's over 8 colors you can choose with the epoxy pigment. Guys, don't forget to consult the data sheet for any details and to double check everything, guys. Once this is down, it's going to take around 3 or 4 hours for it to cure. It's going to mitigate around 25 pounds of hydrostatic pressure and moisture in the slab, as well as the basis we're using here, the 254, keep all that moisture from causing issues. Once a full broadcast is done, we're going to wait 3 or 4 hours, and then we'll go ahead and move from there with our sealers.